Arrgh. I'm sorry, it's just funny.
So why do you want a parrot?
Because he's fucking mean looking. Arrgh. Ow, fuck. Oh. Oh, I'm laughing. It hurts.
Oh.
Oh.
Who's mean, the pirate or the parrot?
Oh. Oh. No, no, the feet. Oh, oh, she don't me laugh. Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, but you just randomly said you wanted a parrot on your shoulder. Like a pirate. I was just curious why.
Oh, I didn't know. It didn't look cool.
Oh.
Wouldn't it?
Are you going to wear a patch too?
Oh, fuck. I guess.
You guess?
Oh. Oh, yeah. Is that a cat?
Yeah.
Fucking right, it is too, eh?
It's a fucking parrot cat.
Oh.
Watch it because you'll go, "Arr!" What are you doing?
Oh. It
What's,
hurts.
what'd you do?
I don't know.
What's under the blanket?
I get it.
You can't tell?
No.
You're not allowed to tell or you can't tell?
Oh, it does. Both of them.
What?
Both of them.
Both of them.
Oh, fuck. My ass hurts.
Why does your
I
ass hurt?
don't know.
Oh.
Ow. Anyway.
What were you doing last night that your ass hurts today? You weren't drinking, were you?
Chrystal, don't fucking move. Chrystal.
Okay.
Look.
What? What?
My hand.
Watch your hand.
Look.
Yeah, your glasses. You just took them off a second ago.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, trick or something.
Oh, a trick?
What's that?
Oh, look, I pulled my glasses out of my ass.
Look.
Yeah?
Well, what is that?
The cat?
It's not cool. Cash cat? That Mimi. Mimi. She's the fucking spider killer, that one, right? Huh?
Yep.
There was something up there that he did. What the fuck is that?
The cat?
Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, she's soft. Yeah.
Watch out. That's her ass.